Hello guys, you are welcome back again. So today's video I'm going to be making chicken grill with vegetables. So I've already washed my chicken. It's nice and clean, as you can see. So now I'm going to season the chicken with some aromatic herbs which contains salt as well, onions powder, garlic powder, some chili flakes, and I'll also add ginger powder to it. So after that, I'm going to massage it into the chicken just like this, as you can see. Yes. So after massaging the chicken, so I'm going to be adding my barbecue sauce to it as well. So I will add barbecue sauce and as well massage it together. So now once I'm done massaging all the chicken, so I'm going to set it aside to marinate for some minutes. And over here I will add some vegetable oil to my baking pan, which I've added my baking paper. So I will apply vegetable oil all over the baking paper so that the chicken will not stick to it. And after that I will add my marinated chicken to it. So once I'm done adding the chicken, then I will set it aside. In another pan, I will add vegetable oil and apply it all over the oven pan as well. And over here I have my potatoes which I've peeled and I've rinsed it with water. I will season it with salt, vegetable oil and some fresh rosemary. So I'm going to mix everything together. So after that I will add the potatoes into my baking pan and I will add some sliced zucchini to it. And I will also add my fresh rosemary and I will season it with some salt and vegetable oil. So now I'm going to transfer the chicken and the vegetables into the oven and I'm going to grill it for about 45 minutes and I will set the oven for 250 degree and 45 minutes later my chicken and vegetable is ready. You can say it look beautiful and it tastes delicious. And here is the final outcome. Thank you all for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.